Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Wipe the surface with isopropyl or glass cleaner and dry completely because adhesion depends on no oils. Next, shake the tube for 1 to 2 minutes. This mixes pigment and binder so flow is consistent. Then depress the tip briefly onto scrap glass to establish steady bead. Once you have a steady line, place the tip at the beginning of your planned path, hold the bottle like a pen, and apply steady pressure to begin the first continuous stroke. Once you have the first stroke down, focus on control and layering. Keep a steady wrist and move your whole arm for long, even lines because short, choppy motions cause blobs. If you want a thicker ridge, make multiple thin passes after each layer skins over. This prevents sagging and runs. Make sure to wipe the nib on a solvent-dampened cloth between colors and during pauses, and practice pressure modulation so the bead stays uniform and predictable. Finish by following the product cure instructions. Most liners air dry to touch in minutes but reach full hardness in 24-72 hours. Use oven or UV only if the label explicitly allows it. If a blob appears, address it immediately. Gently lift excess with a damp cotton swab before the paint skins over because once cured it's hard to remove. Make sure to store the tube upright, cap it tightly, and if the tip clogs later, clear with a fine pin.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.